What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ricky. I know I've been MIA for a little minute, but I've been working on some little side projects. If you don't know who I am, I'm Ricky. I trade VWAPs and golden pockets for the most part. And I just wanted to talk about Bitcoin real quick. So yesterday, I drew this squiggle a while ago, probably last week, I think. And as you can see, we've pretty much broken down, and I'm honestly looking forward to come finish around 56.4, or maybe a little lower. So what I'm thinking is, for going into this weekend, we've already engulfed over 50% of this candle, of this vector right here. So, and I'm gonna get into the low time frame in a second. We've got pretty good volume right here, so that was saying, hey, we need to reverse, and you can see as we did, that's what we did right here. All this right here, all this liquidity got grabbed, and then we can see right here that they came for the shorters today. That's what's going on right now. So they're taking back everything they dumped, or I guess giving it back. And I'm thinking that when we go into Asia, new day, Saturday, and they might take Saturday, Sunday to chop on down, come over here and finish this out, clear this divergence down. This will give us some divergence here on the daily, and then we could talk about going up. So I think we still got a little bit lower. We're not out of the water yet, and time will tell how today closes. If we get up here and we do something like this, then hey, this is our buy zone. But for right now, on the low time frame, turn the weekly VWAP back on. I'm watching this weekly VWAP up here with this is one of our divergent VWAPs right here, this white one, or something like this. So, go ahead and get back to what we were doing, dumpage. And we're going into the weekend, so they're probably going to slow grind whatever direction they choose to go. Just know this weekly VWAP is something we need to watch. So we get up here and we come back test the weekly VWAP, and we start making some support here at the weekly VWAP, then we could consider getting along here, maybe back down here. If we come back down here and touch, so say we come back here and reverse, we come back down here, touch our bottom VWAP, and we start doing something like that. I'll be watching that. So I guess for content or context, that we have what I call a bottom VWAP and a top VWAP, and we use that to gauge, hey, bottoms and tops, simple as that. And right now, if we go into the 1 minute, we can see that, hey, we're at a top. That's what I'm saying. If we can squeeze and reject on our weekly VWAP, and now we need to watch for our bottom VWAP for some continuation up, or well, let me just say, what I'm looking for is this. If we come down here and we can respect our divergent VWAP, then I'll be looking to get long down here. But if we lose it, you know, we could come down right now. And they can play this out all day. There's a million ways that they can do this. I can draw squiggles all day. But my main thinking is I want to short the weekly VWAP. And at least down to our divergent VWAP. If they come down here, if they don't immediately shoot up here and they come down here to our bottom VWAP, then we'll be looking for, you know, a bounce like how we have here. And we may be able to entertain along right here back to the weekly VWAP to see if we're going to break out of it again and or reject again. So come on down. So that's what I'm thinking, low time frame Bitcoin. I'm not in any new trades right now. I'm waiting for everything. I was stupid short from like 96.8 and till off from like 124, maybe higher a few times. I think I still got a little bit on my Solana short, but I pretty much closed all my shorts. We did pretty good shorting this, so let me go ahead and set an alert right here because this is what I'm looking for. And if we break out from here, then we'll probably shoot back up to 77. Let's see. Let's see on the 15-minute. If we can't get past this divergent VWAP right here, in this top VWAP, which just reset here at the top, then we'll probably come on back down. So that's what I'm looking for. I don't suspect that we're gonna hit one of these. Sorry, ran out of mouse. And if we did, we, you know, our yearly VWAP is up here. I don't think that's the move that we're looking for. We got a lot of people trying to call the bottom. This and the third, but I'm thinking, hey, the highest we get is this top VWAP. And start making our way back down. So that's what I'm thinking on Bitcoin. Everything else is pretty much rhyming with that. And if you need help trading these VWAPs, hop in the Discord. The link is in the bio. I guess the description.